Start.
I'm Dr. Shahmaz here. I'm a chief dentist at Yelliah Dental Care. I'm basically from Bangalore, but I have my career oriented in Kochi, Kerala. So when I plan to come back to my hometown Bangalore, I googled it out, searching for many interior designers for designing my clinic interiors. So through the search engine, I just came across Asense Interiors. When I just contacted them, they were very professional enough, and within 15 minutes they sent me an initial quotation itself, which had all the details entered. And I just thought for a while, and then I asked them to come over to my place to have a look, because the place where I was planning to have my clinic was around 40 years old. So within a couple of days they were at my place, they saw my place, etc. They took few photographs, etc. And within a couple of days they mailed me a detailed quotation with 3D video of how the exact clinic will shape up after the completion of the work. So myself and my spouse, who herself is also a dentist, were pretty impressed with the 3D detailing of the clinic. So again, we had an opportunity to interact with a couple of more interior designers, which we had shortlisted initially. Then, seeing the professionalism in Asense, we just thought over and handed over the project to Asense. Once they took over, there was a complete professionalism which they showed. Even the team which they had planned for us, they introduced us to them, and they were good enough to, in fact, tell us few minor details where we could make some modifications which would improve our overall look of the clinic. So those tips initially helped us, and in between we also changed few ideas, and we just discussed with them, and they are very happy to improvise, do the modifications, etc. So once the clinic was set up, I was pretty happy with the overall look of the clinic. It had changed completely. It was like upside down, you can say. So my relatives, my friends, the fellow doctors, even my patients were very amazed at the look of the clinic, and they were very happy, and they say that the clinic gives a soothing feeling once they enter, rather than apprehensive feel which usually you get once you enter a clinic or a hospital setup. So I'm pretty impressed with Asense, and one good part about them was whatever the budget was discussed initially, they could finish the work within the budget, and they handed over me the remaining amount, which is a wonderful thing which I haven't seen in most of the interiors. I don't think you come across these kind of people with such a... So I was very happy with interiors, and I can always suggest these interior designers for your work, or maybe in a healthcare setup for any of the clinics. Happily you can approach them, and it's better to work with them, give them your project, and then you feel the difference actually, rather than whatever I say. So overall, I'm very happy with the service which they have provided to me, and looking forward for many more ventures with these people. Thank you, Asense.